Cleaning the appliances is not a difficult task. Basically, it consists of taking off some of the grates. We're not taking all of them off each time. About every 3 weeks, we'll take the grates off on the grill. But on the actual oven, we take the grates off every single day of our cleaning. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we remove the grates. I'm going to walk you through taking the grates off, spraying them down with our solution, letting them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes over in the dish pit, running them through the dishwasher, and then bringing them back and putting them back on the oven. All right, so I'm gonna take you through everything step by step, the exact way that it should be done, the way it's been going, and the way that we want it done at this property. All right, thank you. Sometimes you might come in and you might have to turn on the lights, where we go right here, turn the lights on. And these are our appliances. So these right here we kind of spot clean, but we do polish the front. The front of that we polish, okay? We also polish the top, the front, top, front, top, and the front of this, okay? So only this one side do we polish. This table we polish. This is our cleaner that we use. This one is it's fairly clean. When we put this solution on there, it's gonna be a more of a silver look. They do a little bit here, they clean it too, but we also put an actual detailing on it, so we're gonna clean that even better. This is our grill, and with this grill, we clean all of this. We make sure all of that's clean. We clean the sides. We get all the carbon off the back, all the way around the rim of the grill. Every 3 weeks, we take these grates off and we clean them and soak them in our solution. Every night on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we take these grates off. These grates come off very, very simple. Put your arm right in. Man, why was that grabbing my finger? Comes right off. And we also clean all of this. We clean everything that's in here. We will take you through that. We take the oven. We take the catch pan out, replace it. We also take the catch pan out on this one, and we replace it. So when that is done, we clean all of that, front face. Okay, we take these out. When you take this one out on this machine, always grab it from right here. 1, 2. Okay? These normally I just pick these right up. I don't know why that was burning, but they normally come right up. Okay, so we'll get that. So from over here, let's walk over to the dish pit. When we get to the dish pit, a couple of controls, all right? So what we want to do is we want to look at the bottom and see if it's on drain. Right now it's not, so the drains are closed, which is good. Then we want to look. No, we probably want to empty that water. So that water's pretty dirty, so we're going to empty that. So we just turn those drains to the up position where it says drain. We open those drains up. All that water is going to flow right up. And there we go. All empty now. And then we can close those drains back up. Turning that. Then you want to come up top. Close that door back down. Fill that water up. So that switch that's right there, that turns the machine on. This switch right here fills the machine up. So we're gonna start by filling the machine. That's gonna take about 2 or 3 minutes. We got our pans up here, the trays that we put our grates on. All you need is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flat ones. And we're gonna pull those down and lay them out right here across our table. All right? Believe it or not, this is all you're gonna need to do an awesome job with this dirty stuff right here. Believe it or not, but that's all you will need. So, we got our machine fixed. All our grates are sitting on their trays. And we're gonna take our solution that we made earlier. Remember, it was 10 fluid ounces of the oven cleaner and fill the rest up with the ready-to-use green degreaser that's in the black jar. Everything will have a label. All the mixing instructions be very simple for you. You don't have to worry about that. I think this would be the only thing you would actually have to mix. As far as the floor cleaner goes, we'll set that up so you'll have that too. But basically what I'm doing is spraying everything off. So we're gonna let that sit for a minute, okay? And now we're gonna take our eyes off of that for a minute and put it on this.